Hey, how you doing? I'm Jingles. I'm going to show you how to hook up your city water connection. You go down here to the city water right here. You unscrew the cap. Once the cap's unscrewed, then you take your hose, put it in there, screw it down nice and tight. Make sure it's nice and tight. You don't want no leaks. And you take your hose, the other end of your hose, and you connect it to your supply. Now go ahead and turn your supply on and you'll have water going through your system. Now on your Airstreams, you do not need a water pressure regulator because it's already built in. But if you order one of our other units, you might need a water pressure regulator that looks just like this. That'll go on the hose. It'll go screwed on right there. And then this piece here will go into your water supply. That easy. Now this regulator does come with the rental if you rent one of our other units.